So the next concept in mass storage management is disk scheduling. So we know scheduling means giving a time for accessing certain amount of memory from your storage device. Okay, in disk scheduling what happens? So we know our disk will look like this. It will be containing a group of tracks, circulars thing. What we can see is the sectors, and small portions in those tracks are called as sectors. So we normally call them as blocks anta kariತೀವಿ. Okay, so here is an example we have taken. We have assigned some numbers for these blocks or sectors. Okay, say 98, 183, so and so. Okay, so for the example sake we have written those numbers in one of these blocks of the disk. Now, this is what our disk. Okay, and we have a read write arm. Okay, so which is always at one of the block on your hard disk. Okay, so in which block which it is pointing, so that block either is used for reading purpose or that block is used for writing purpose anta artha. That's what read write arm will be doing. Okay, now in disk scheduling what happens, so you will be having requests for the blocks to be read by a read write arm. So all these requests what you can able to see here, these are all the block numbers we have taken. Okay, so it means that you are telling a read write arm to read these blocks which are present in a queue. So there will be a queue present in your hard disk which tells what are all the blocks of our hard disk need to be read ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so in the example we have taken here, so 98 is a block which read write arm has to be reading. Similarly 183 is another block in your hard disk which your read write arm is going to read ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So how your read write arm will going to provide service for these blocks? Okay, so that is called as disk scheduling. Okay, when your read write arm will going to provide service for the blocks. Okay, so to provide service for these blocks, so what happens normally, the read write arm will be present at some block. Okay, so if you want to provide service for the block 98, it is somewhere here, you can observe here, correct? So you have to make your read write arm to move to that particular location. Okay, so not only we are moving read write arm to the desired location, we also rotating the hard disk. Okay, at certain speed the disk is also rotating and your read write arm is also moving like this. Okay, so it is a combination of both rotation of the disk and moving of the read write arm will makes the read write pointer to bring above the sector or a block. So that's what it will go into work. So there are different mechanisms are there for scheduling or making the read write pointer to read the blocks. The very first one is first come first served scheduling method of disk scheduling. Second one we have SSTF, that is the shortest seek time first algorithm. So this is another method of scheduling. Next is scan scheduling technique. We have similarly C-scan, that is circular scan scheduling technique. That is this circular scan scheduling technique. And we have another technique like look scheduling technique and C-look scheduling technique. So totally we have 6 disk scheduling techniques which come across in this. Okay, so each method will be following different methodology for providing service for the disk blocks. Okay, how these individual blocks are read by the read write pointer. So that is taken care by the 6 scheduling techniques. So we will be knowing these scheduling techniques by solving the problems. Okay, then we can easily understand how these scheduling techniques will going to work. Okay, in the exam also they will be giving you certain disk blocks like this, and they will ask you to solve the rotation of disk, how much blocks the read write pointer has moved. Okay, that is called cylinder. We normally call them as cylinders. Each and every circle is one cylinder. So like that, how many cylinders our read write pointer has moved to provide service for all the blocks in a queue. So such type of problems they will be asking in the examination. So that's what the basic introduction to your disk scheduling mechanism.